udla kahle endlini because ufihle Elijah wakhe.
Amen.
Bebathi nabamsesha bathi where is Elijah? Athi asambeni simbuke nama ngimati ukuthi ukuphi abe amshiye endlini yakhe.
Amen.
Mawungamfihli Elijah ngesikhathi abantu bamzonde bafuna kumbulala ngeke usurvive emhlazana uyobhekana nesomiso. Because noma unako konke manje but isomiso siyeda. Hide your own Elijah because you don't want to. Elijah uyafihlwa ngoba likusasana khawulapho usithi njani. Hide him. Khona bale bamvako. Some people bayakhala, I don't have this. Anginako lokho. Where is your Elijah?
Ukuphi Elijah wakho?
Some of you nivena bamfuni nathi hayi. Udlamine lapha endlini lo mvamba nomkhipha lapha endlini. Ngesingawe uNkulunkulu akafuna uswele lutho. Elijah was a blessing to the widow. The widow was a blessing to Elijah. We need each other.
Siyatsingana.
Khona bale bamvako.
Amen.
Kuna something la ke wangendela yona bishop nama ke bishop. Can we clap hands for them? Bathi nabangendela lento was so shocked.
Bengithuke kakhulu.
Ngathi mina bishop, I'm going to be giving a testimony in the church for the first time.
Amen.
You know what's in bishop?
No.
What's babe ngiyacela. Ngicela ungalitsheli ibandla.
Amen.
Bishop Lamula, our very own bishop in this church. Wasingiyacela ungabatsheli mabisonto. Ngathi mina ngani? Wasifaka ngibizi ngawugcina ngikhola kahle. Usaba abantu lebasindisiwe labaphakathi esontweni. Leso sikhathi ngavuma but bengekho happy. Because they don't understand ukuthi kungani bangeni livo lehle nakangaka abathe basimfihle. Bebabone something lebengakayiboni lesa sikhathi.
Amen.
Kuthi manje abaveka phakathi ebandleni ukuthi bangendele 1 na 2 na 3 ngeke nisabathanza.
Amen.
Because nina nibathanzi bantu labenta kahle.